Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's nice to see you guys again. So we are done with the select menu. Let's start effect menu here with Illustrator. So the very first thing here with Illustrator, we have this apply the effect that previously applied on an object. So the shortcut for apply the effect on other object is this Shift plus Control plus E. And if I'm going to draw something and I want to apply the effect, so simple, I can click on apply and there is this effect which previously we used that here with effects. If you apply any other effect right here, if I want to apply this zigzag from this transform, so let's try to go with a smooth and hit OK. So with effect menu, as you can see now, we have this apply zigzag. So the shortcut, as I said, is Shift plus Control plus E. And also there we have the effect, which I can use the shortcut Alt plus Shift plus Control plus E. So if you click at this zigzag, so it's going to apply new effect. But if I want to apply this effect on any other shape like this ellipse, so simple, first I'm going to draw my shape. So with effect menu, here we have this zigzag which I can apply for the selected object. So the next option here with effect menu, we have this document raster effects settings. If you click at that, so you can change the settings for raster, which is the image. So I can change the color model from the RGB to grayscale or bitmap, and also I can change the resolution, which I can select this 72 ppi, which is pixel per inch. I can go with medium 150, I can go with high 300 ppi or pixel per inch, or I can just select this other as well in resolution. So for background, I can go with transparent, or I can just select this white background as well. And under options, you can see we have this anti-alias, and also we have this create clipping mask, and you can add this around object if you want to. And also there is this option which I can select this to preserve spot colors. So I can change all the settings for raster image from effect menu. So down there we have this 3D and materials under this Illustrator effects. So we have this 3D and materials. If I want to convert any shape into 3D, so here we have this extrude and bevel. So we have this revolve, we have inflate, rotate and materials. If you click at the extrude and bevels, it's going to open this window which I can just change. I can extrude this shape, I can apply this plane. So each of these options which I'm going to select right here. So with that, there is a lot more options available right here which you can change for your selected object. And also if I go with this inflate, and here if I'm going to just click at this inflate, so there is going to be more options with that, which I can just change depth, and I can change the twist, and there is more options that I can change for selected objects. So there we have this materials and lighting. So this is complete 3D effects which I can apply on any objects. If you're going to make a 3D design, if you're planning to make any 3D model, so this can really help you a lot, because there is this object option which is this 3D types available, and you can use the materials, and also there is this lighting which you can just click at that and you can change the lighting for your 3D model. So here we have this revolve, inflate, and you can click on rotate and materials, which you can find inside this extrude and bevel window. So here we have this 3D classic. If you click on this extrude and bevel classic, so we're going to get this window right here, which I can change the position. If you click on the position, so it's going to give you this list, which I can go with custom rotation. I can go with front, back, left, right, top, bottom, this off axis front, off axis back, off axis left. So if you are going to select, so with that, so first let's try to extrude the tip right here. I'm going to go with this. Okay, let me delete this object and also this one. So I'm going to draw this rectangle shape. So now we have this 30 and I can just select this off axis left. I can select any position right here. If you go with the custom rotation, so simple, you can just rotate this object from here. So as you can see, we have this angles which I can change for X axis, and also we have this Y axis, and also there we have this Z axis which I can change for the selected object. And also for perspective, there I can just change that to 160, and I can decrease this value from 160 to 0 degrees. So here we have this extrude depth. You can increase the extrude depth if you want to. So there is this depth, I can increase this. And also with cap, you're going to get this turn cap on for solid appearance, or you're going to turn cap off for hollow appearance. If you select that, so it's a hollow appearance, and if you select this one, this is a solid appearance. So we have this bevel, which I can go with any of these bevel right here. I can select the complex one, I can select this curve, I can go with jaggy, I can go with rolling. You can select this bevel right here, and we have this high. You can select, you can specify the bevel high. So for bevel, there I can select this bevel extend out. The bevel is added to original object, or you can just go with bevel extend and bevel in subtracted from original object. And here we have this surface, which I can go with a wireframe, which you can see the wireframe for this object. I can go with no shading, I can go with diffuse shading, and there I can select this plastic shading as well. So here we have this more options. If you click at that, so you can see the lighting, which I can change the lighting intensity, and I can set other option or for lighting. If you're planning to practice in lighting, so you can make your object, and here you can change some options so you can see the changes in lighting. And there we have this move selected light to back of the object. You can move that, and also you can add a new light right here. So you can check the option which we have this draw hidden faces, and also you can select this option for this, which is preserve spot colors. I'm going to click on fewer option, and the really important thing right here is this map art. If I'm going to click at that, so with map art, there we have this sample, which I can just click there. So where you can find the samples right here, you can add your samples. If you want to add any sample to the surface of this place, so first we are going to add the sample right here. when you add your sample, so here we have the samples. I'm going to click on this ribbon. So from this surface you can change the surface. I'm going to scale this. So as you can see, we have this sample right here. So you can change the surface from here. You can just go to previous surface and you can go to this next surface. So here I can just go with any surface and I can apply this map art, which is this sample, to that specific surface right here. I can just click on scale to fit. So I can just click a scale to fit. It's going to fit along with my, it's according to my surface. And I can click on clear. I can just click on clear all, and also here we have this shade or artwork slower, or I can just go with invisible geometry. So invisible geometry is going to be something like this, but I don't want to use this option for now, and also for this one. So this is how you can use the classic 3D and the other options which is available here with 3D and materials. And you can make your object right here and you can start practicing. You can use all the options right here, so you can make your own design 3D. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to use some of the options from effect menu. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.